Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Choose 1 pound boneless pork belly or shoulder for chashu. The belly gives richer fat while shoulder stays firmer. Trim excess skin, press the meat into a uniform cylinder, and tie with kitchen twine every 1 inch for even cooking. Heat a heavy skillet until very hot. Sear the roll on all sides until deep brown, then remove. In the same pan, combine half a cup soy, 1/4 cup mirin, 1/4 cup sake, 2 tablespoons sugar, 3 cloves crushed garlic, and 1 inch sliced ginger to build the braising liquid. Transfer the seared pork roll into a snug pot and add 2 cups of water along with the soy mirin sake braising mix until the meat is 3/4 submerged. Bring to a gentle simmer and maintain a low boil roughly between 180 degrees F and 200 degrees F. Cover partially to trap steam. Cook for 1.5 to 2 hours, turning the roll every 20 to 30 minutes so flavors penetrate evenly. After cooking, lift the meat out. Strain solids, then reduce the braising liquid by half over high heat to make a glossy, concentrated glaze. After reducing the glaze, return the pork to the warm sauce and cool to room temperature, then chill for at least 2 hours or overnight to firm the roll and deepen flavor. When ready, remove twine and slice into 3 to 5 millimeter rounds. This thickness balances tenderness and bite. Reheat slices briefly in simmering broth or quickly sear to caramelize edges. To serve, combine 1 to 2 tablespoons tare with hot broth. Cook noodles 4 minutes. Boil the broth and noodles. Top with chashu, a 6-minute ajitama egg, sliced scallions, and a
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.